Laravel installation and setup in the MacBook. To install and setup, we will be using Composer. If you want, you can do the setup Composer from this URL. Now we will be looking at the Laravel 7.4 version. 7.4 install. Before proceeding, we need to check the PHP version on our localhost. To check all the details of the PHP, what you need to do is create a test file at your local folder. Let me open my local folder. This is my local host. I have a test folder, and there just create a file info.php. Let me open the file in Sublime text, and this is the info.php file. You just need to write php info to see the PHP details of on your localhost. Test / info.php. As you see, I have PHP 7.4 and all other things you can check. BC math that is required. All the details you can, curl is there. You can check all the PHP server details of your localhost using the PHP info file. This is not must, but it's better to check before proceeding. Okay, let's go to the installation. You can see I'm using 7.4 Laravel to install, and the requirement is 7.5 BC Max. Remember, we check BC Max over here. Ctrl F, BC Max, APH. See this library. So you need all the necessary requirements. Even if you don't check PHP info, I will show you another way. So we will use this Composer to install the Laravel project. Ctrl C. Now open the terminal. I am at my root. You can see from here, this is www. If you see path, www use the path. www is my root folder of my localhost. Now you print the command Composer. We will name it as Lara Learning. So what this command will do? This will install Laravel 7.0 in Laravel folder. Let's run the command. You can see all these dependencies are being loaded. So in case if something is wrong or something is not working on conflicting, this will show the details, and you can install your PHP. Like for example, BC Math is not there, then you can install with BC Math in your PHP. So this has downloaded all the necessary files. Now we will go to the Lara learning folder and run php artisan serve. Now this command will start the localhost at this URL. You can see now Laravel is up and running. So this is the normal setup we do for Laravel projects. I have shown you how to install the Laravel using how to install the Laravel 7.4. If any questions, you can put it in the comment and I will try to help you out. In the next lecture, I will show you the folder structure as well as routes and all other information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.